In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert tables in PowerPoint. If you want to organize information clearly on a slide, using a table is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do it. Tables are great for presenting data, comparing details side by side, or creating a clean layout for text and numbers. The good news is that inserting one in PowerPoint is very simple, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few seconds. To get started, go to the top of the PowerPoint window and click on Insert. This tab contains all the tools you use to add new elements to your slide, such as pictures, shapes, charts, and of course, tables. If you're currently on a different tab, just switch over to Insert so you can access the options you need. After that, click on Tables. This is the option that lets you add a table directly onto your slide. When you click it, PowerPoint gives you a quick way to begin creating a table for the content you want to display. This is especially helpful when you need to structure information in rows and columns instead of placing everything as separate text boxes. As you work with tables in PowerPoint, keep in mind that they can make your presentation look much more organized when used correctly. They're especially useful for schedules, pricing comparisons, lists, and any content that benefits from a grid layout. If your slide feels too crowded with plain text, a table can often make it easier for your audience to read and understand the information. One helpful tip is to think ahead about how much information you want the table to contain before inserting it. That way, you can create a layout that fits your slide nicely and doesn't feel too cramped. It's also a good idea to leave enough space around the table so your slide still looks balanced and clean. That's all it takes to insert a table in PowerPoint. Just click on Insert, then click on Tables. Once you know those two steps, you can quickly start building more structured, professional-looking slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.